All right, guys, it is not time to be panicking. Why is that? Because this market, I believe, is going to go sideways and down for just a couple more days, and then we are going to see an absolute blast off here. So here's what we've done. In the last few days, we have ended up injecting quite a bit of money. So yesterday alone, we ended up doing $30,000, and this was directly into altcoins, and then we ended up doing another $20,000. And then this morning, we did another $20,000, and all of these were placed into altcoins. You guys know I've showed this to you guys on these YouTube videos here, as well as all of our members know this. BTC USD. We hold absolutely no Bitcoin at all because the dominance of Bitcoin has shifted into altcoins. Yes, Bitcoin dominance is going up this morning, but I believe there's a big shift coming for altcoins. Now, actually, this is what let me show this to you right here, actually. I just posted this to all of our members because I just record this. Some of you guys will retire with altcoins this season with this one chart. So I blurred it out here, but I'm actually going to, guys, I'm going to turn into Bob Ross today. Okay. You know, those like beautiful mountains and those just beautiful trees right there. Okay. I'm actually going to show you guys, and I'm going to walk you step by step of how to construct on a TradingView chart, so you guys can keep this forever, the most powerful chart that we have to time the top of altcoins. This has timed the previous top of altcoins. Remember I showed you guys yesterday? If you guys understand how this works, in 2017, when did altcoins peak? Do you guys know? Altcoins peaked, the majority of altcoins peaked in November and December. We had a bull run where Bitcoin and altcoins peaked together and they dropped together. Do you guys know what happened in 2021? When did 50% or more of the altcoins top? Well, it was actually in May and June. So what's going to happen this cycle? Nobody knows. But here's the thing, we don't need to know. The indicator that we actually show you guys, which by the way, we're giving you a free indicator. You're not going to pay for it in the membership. Just grab a membership. We'll give you the free indicator. It's actually the one on the bottom here. And then we're going to mock up a chart that actually goes to the end of the cycle in December of 2025. And you guys will see, we're going to put arrows of where the 2017 bull market ended for altcoins, where the 2021 bull market ended for altcoins. And then I'm going to show you guys the specific areas where you should be looking to buy based off historical data for the best entries. And then we are going to put together a risk management strategy to show you where we are exiting our basically we're at like $1.8 million in the account, where we're going to show you guys where we are ending up taking out a 10 to 20% exit of altcoins. We are then going to take out a 30 to 40% exit, and then we're going to do an 80% to 90% exit. Guys, I'm literally giving this to you guys, the game plan of how to exit altcoins at the best times, which has been congruent and has concrete evidence of what you should have done in the past two cycles. We are going to give that to everyone today. And you're literally going to pull up a TradingView chart, and you guys are going to be able to mock it up line by line. I'll show you guys how to take out a drawing tool, change the color of it. Basically, if you guys have ever wanted like a big tutorial of how to use TradingView and like draw charts and such like that, you guys will get that too. So I don't want to make this a super long video today. Basically, I'm just directing you guys over to December 10th. So in our membership, in the description, I do this a lot, guys, there is a gift box emoji. When you guys click that, it will take you to this home page, but I'm going to give you guys a pop-up and it will say 25% off your membership. Guys, get the membership, use the 25% off. Immediately after that, go over to Future Forecast and watch December 10th. I guarantee you guys, some of you will use this chart to retire in 2025 with your altcoins. I guarantee it. This is the chart that has called the previous tops. I ask one thing, that you guys would not share this chart with anybody online. Please keep this proprietary. We're taking a big step here by showing you guys how to mock this up, because it's one of the biggest assets we have is Trade Confident. With the, not joking, the hundreds of charts we have looked at and analyzed, this is the best chart to time the tops. And once you guys see it, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, that's actually true. There's a lot of confidence that's going to come from getting your hands on the free indicator we give you guys today and this chart. So I'm not even going to talk about indicators today. I want you guys to be solely focused on this chart of mocking this up and getting into altcoins. The market is bleeding. We just bought $20,000 worth. What we see coming in December is going to shock you guys, because in the beginning of this future forecast, I'll say this real quick, we have actually mocked up on a chart what Bitcoin has done for the last 11 years on a daily basis, the plus or minus increase or decrease on 11 years, and we've averaged them out. So we can actually see what it looks like from December 10th today till the end of the year. So we're going to say January 1st. And I'll tell you guys, there is a specific date that is very close to today where the market is expected to drop into, which is done exactly what we've expected it to. We're going to drop into, and then it just absolutely takes off. This is from the 11-year perspective as well as the 4-year average. You partner these up together and they both say on a specific date this month that we drop into, which is perfectly happening right now, and then we absolutely just race into the end of December. What does that mean for you guys? You should be getting your buys in during this time frame on the drop. I will show that to you guys in the beginning of the video, and then we're going to end the video with giving you guys the free indicator and getting you guys set up so you guys can have this chart forever on your TradingView account. And you can keep it with you to exit altcoins in this cycle. This will help some of you guys retire. I guarantee you. Do not miss this future forecast. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the future forecast, December 10th this morning. Bye, guys.